Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are doing a complete overview and review of Novo Business Checking. This is an online-only checkings account built for businesses. And here at Startupwise, we are a huge fan of Novo. Basically, I've tried out a bunch of different business bank accounts. Chase, Amex, Bluevine, the list goes on. And without doubt, Novo is one of my favorite ones. And that's just because of how simple it is, how online oriented it is. And yeah, for anyone looking for a basic online checkings account for the business, I really do recommend Novo. So let's first talk about some of the most enticing things about Novo that cause a lot of people to actually use them. The first is that there are basically zero fees. So to have a business checking account through Novo, there are no monthly fees and there's no minimum opening deposit. There's no cap on the number of transactions you can have per month, which is great. And although they used to have unlimited ATM reimbursements, starting in 2024, these refunds are capped at $7 per month. So if you do a couple transactions every month, this should still be completely free, but just know that this has changed. It also integrates really well with a lot of online platforms out there, such as QuickBooks, Shopify, Xero, Stripe, and a lot more. And for me, as well as most people I talk to, they really enjoy the simple user interface. It's very easy to learn how to use this platform. And so yeah, I'd basically say there is zero learning curve. Now, in terms of the cons, there definitely are some, being that this is an online-only bank. First is that you cannot deposit cash. So if you do have a lot of cash coming into your business, then it may make sense to go with something like Chase, which offers actual branches where you can go and deposit your cash. You also cannot send domestic or international wire. So that is a big one, but of course you can do ACH and there are many other ways to send money. Another is that there is no customer service by phone. So if you actually want to talk to someone, it's going to have to be through their online chat or through email. So that can be a little bit annoying for some people. But besides those things, Novo is a very, very good service. They're FDIC insured up to $250,000. And like I said earlier, there are no minimum deposits. There's no monthly fees. And so that really makes it perfect for anyone with a smaller business. For anyone that has a sole proprietorship, I'd say you may or may not need an actual business checking account. You could just create another personal account and have your stuff there. But if you do have an LLC, S-Corp, or any type of corporation, then yes, having a separate business only account like this is perfect. Now, to create a Novo business checking account, you will need to be 18 years of age or older. You're gonna need to be a US citizen or permanent resident and have a US based business. And yes, you can be a sole proprietor and open up a Novo checking account. If you guys are interested in opening up an account, we do have a link down below. And right now I'll take you guys through that landing page and show you guys how to actually sign up. Okay, so if you go to novo.co/partner/startupwise, you're gonna get to this exact landing page. This link will be down below for you guys to use. But yeah, if you guys come to this page, what we can basically do is learn more about their services. I already went over most of the things that are important, but we can sort of learn some of the other features that come with having a Novo account. So yes, you can deposit and send checks. They do have smart insights. You can create a virtual debit card, which I really do like. There's unlimited transactions, fast and easy transfers, and their customer support, which of course, like I said earlier, is live chat and email only. They've been adding a lot of features, which I do like. They have invoice features, they have a bunch of integrations, they have partner perks, and they have Novo Boost, which basically allows you to get your Stripe payments faster. And that is completely free of charge. So now basically what I'm gonna do is come here, click get started. The sign up process is extremely fast. It's just gonna take a few minutes. So we'll enter in our business email, enter in a password, and then we'll click get started. After getting the verification code, I'm gonna enter that in here and click next. Now it's gonna ask you what your business type is. So you guys will select accordingly. And most of you guys are probably gonna be sole proprietor, single member, LLC, or LLC. So I'm gonna choose corporation for this and I'll click next. Now it's gonna ask you to provide your personal details. We'll select our citizenship, so US, and then click next. Next we'll enter in our phone number. We'll click next. I'll enter in the code, click next. Now we are going to enter in our address. After that, we'll click next. And yeah, I'm not gonna do this whole thing since it does take a little bit more time. And this is pretty sensitive information, so I don't wanna do that on camera. But after you enter in your personal info, you'll do your business info. You'll enter in the owner information. They'll ask you for some documents and then you'll review it and sign and it's gonna be good to go. But yeah, basically that is a complete overview of Novo. Just know that this is a completely free business checking account. It's perfect for LLCs, corporations, and if you do want a free debit card, that is also included as well. For me, I don't like to overcomplicate my banking. The easier it is, the better. And that's why I'm such a big fan of Novo. Again, we'll have our exclusive link down below if you do want to help support the channel. We do get a small referral fee if you guys use that link, and it allows us to continue creating free videos just like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much in advance. Overall, a great checking account, perfect for small business owners who want a very simplified and free banking solution. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated to helping you guys grow your small business. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.